Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you a super simple trick to find cheaper versions of Amazon product using AliExpress image search. So if you have ever seen a product on Amazon and thought this has to be cheaper somewhere else, you are absolutely right. So here's how you can find it. For that, first of all, open up your Amazon application in a mobile device and then simply find the product you want. Once you have found it, go ahead and simply take a screenshot or save the image of the item. Make sure the product is clearly visible with minimal background clutter. This method works best for gadgets, accessories, home decor, clothes, and drop-shipped items. Once done, head back to home screen and then open AliExpress application in a mobile device. Once you open it up, go ahead and simply log into your account. Once logged in, tap on the camera icon beside the search bar. Inside here, you want to go ahead and simply upload the image you have just saved from Amazon, and in seconds, AliExpress will show you a list of visually similar products. Many of them are the exact same item, often at a fraction of the price. If AliExpress does not give you the great result, you can also use Google Lens. Open up your Google application or a website and then simply sign in to your account. Once signed in, tap on this camera icon and then upload a photo or click one. If it finds a match, it will usually show links to AliExpress, eBay, or other budget platforms. So why does this work? Many people don't realize this, but many Amazon sellers use AliExpress to dropship. That means the exact same item is often listed on the both platform, just with different branding and much higher price on Amazon. So next time before you buy, do this quick reverse image search. It could save you 50% or more. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.